Hey everyone, Gil here of Gray Man Prepping. And Camp Patton Family Compound. I got what should be one of the last unbaggings and unboxings for the spring and hopefully the summer. So let me get at this one here. Yeah, I got just about everything gotten that I need. So this should be it. And this is something a little bit different here. And oh, good. They didn't tape it up with a ton of tape. They just got one of these little bags that has a little tape, the seal strip on it, and it's almost as bad as tape though. Let's get this thing open. Oh wow. It really doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. Had to tear it off. All right, so it's got two things in here. And yeah. Got a green one and a purple one. One for me, one for the staff sergeant. I hope these are the sizes that will work right. So, does it have an opening? No, it does not have an opening on it. So, time for my everyday carry. So these are gloves with a finger claws on it, and it's said, you know, one was for male, one was for female. But yeah, I wish it had one on the thumb too, but it's got this for digging in the ground and stuff, and around plants and stuff where you're doing stuff you don't want to tear your hand up. So this one here feels okay. It's really elastic on it, so you know, it may be that they're one size fits all. Let me get the other one opened up and check it out as well. See if one of them is bigger than the other one. Not sure. I think no. It's kind of weird. The purple one might be a hair larger, but I think they're just the same size. So it'd be one for the staff sergeant, one for me, and for when we're working out there. I know I've gotten her several pairs of these before in the past for the house in California, and she uses them a lot. In fact, she's wore several pair out. So that's what we got for the garden here now to finish doing our planting and stuff. Hopefully she'll be here sometime middle into this week, and we can get some more stuff put in the ground, and hopefully we'll have some videos for you. All right, so take care. See you around. Plant a garden, enlarge your garden, and grow your own food.